how to delete your TikTok account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account within the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to delete our TikTok account, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the TikTok app, then navigate to your profile by selecting Profile in the bottom menu. Once you get to your TikTok profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app, and then in the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, select Account, and then under Account, select the last option, Deactivate or Delete Account. Give it a second to load, then select Delete Account Permanently. From here, you can give them a reason, or you can select Skip in the top right. Once you get to this screen, you can download your TikTok data, such as videos and posts that you've made. To continue deleting your account, simply check the box at the bottom and then select Continue. It'll give you some information about the process of deleting your account. It does take 30 days. During that time, you can reactivate your account by simply logging back in. After 30 days, your TikTok account will be permanently deleted. So select Continue. It'll then send you a verification code that you'll need. Simply enter that code, select the delete account, and then the 30-day countdown will start for your TikTok account to be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.